To start, you'll need 4 medium sweet potatoes. Peel them and slice them into 1/4-inch rounds. In a large bowl, mix these slices with half a cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a 1/4 cup of melted butter. Make sure everything is well coated, then place this sweet potato mixture into the bottom of your crock pot in an even layer. Next, it's time to prepare the cobbler topping. In a medium bowl, whisk together a cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup each of granulated sugar and brown sugar, a teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Now, cut half a cup of chilled, unsalted butter into this flour mixture. You can use a pastry cutter or just your fingers. You're aiming for a mixture that looks like coarse crumbs. Stir in half a cup of chopped pecans. Then gradually add half a cup of milk, stirring until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Now you're ready to assemble the cobbler. Drop spoonfuls of the cobbler topping over the sweet potatoes in the crock pot. Spread gently to cover most of the sweet potatoes. Once assembled, cover your crock pot and cook on high for 2 to 2.5 hours, or on low for 4 to 5 hours. You'll know it's done when the sweet potatoes are tender and the cobbler topping is golden and cooked through. Please let me know in the comments below how this recipe turned out for you. As always, the recipe is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and help Magnolia Moon reach 1,000 subscribers.